What's up guys, I am back with another video, and in this video we'll be talking about how to get Android Q style gestures on Android Pie. So you can see this is my navigation bar. You can see actually the navigation bar is plain of Android Pie and you see on any other Android. So this is what every Android have, and we want something different. So this is my phone which is running Android 1 and it is pixel like experience and it is latest Android Pie. So I'm not sure with the version, you must have latest Android Pie. So navigation bar is not having any gestures. You can see there are 3 buttons as usual. So let's get started and see what happens. First click on settings and open new mobile settings. You can see the settings. This is usual settings. Now scroll down and open system tab. This is the system tab, which will take you to a page called system, about phone languages, and we need to click on gestures. So open gestures and just check for swipe up on home button. This is this one. You can see this is a basic tutorial about this, and just turn it on, and now you can see that our navigation bar is changed a lot and it is looking a lot better and nice. You can see this is how it works. The gestures, it's usual gestures. Oh, I don't want this. The back button is looking great. You can see this arrow style. Everything is great. Oh, and yes, you can have this gestures bar. This is great. So make sure you try this gestures once. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.